So today we are going to do the updates of the previous analysis. Last week we were anticipating a sell here, as you can see per the analysis, and if you missed last week's analysis you can just watch it after this. I'm just going to do a continuation of what I'm anticipating on this pair from now on. So we can spot, just gonna do it as quick as possible to save your time. We have the support level. As you can see, we had our first touch here, second touch and third touch. This is the sensitive level because every time the market touches this, it just bounces without spending a lot of time here. Bounce, another second one, bounce to the upside, another bounce. Likely last week we had a sell here, but the market didn't touch this level, it went to the upside. So from now, where is this pair going? As you can see, I have 4 hour here. We can also spot our resistance, not yet really strong resistance because we just had 2 bounce at that level. It's also a sensitive level because the market just touch and reverse, again another touch, reverse, and that sell there, as you can see, we also had this resistance. That is what we had on GER30 last week. So I'm just gonna update it and see how we're going to go about this one this week. As you can see, the market is respecting this level here. Check, we had a reverse at this level, another one, a fake out, then the market pushed to the downside, another. Now the market is back at this level, but then it's failing to break it. I'm not saying it's not gonna break it, but the way it's playing around here, I might just sell at that level. I might just sell, push to the downside, probably touch this sensitive area from where it is. I'm not saying when the market open you must sell, because there might be a push to the upside. There might be a push to the upside like this. Market might retest the higher high, then start selling like it did last week. As you can see, it retested the higher high, which happened to be a support also, then started selling. Even this week something like that can happen. So if you want to have this analysis, you just have to click the link in the description and join our Telegram group. Make sure that you are part of the group, as I'm going to keep on updating this analysis in that group. So this is what I have in GER30 for our time frame. So just make sure you check it, and you can see by the price action, the way candlestick are rating at this particular level, you can see that something it's actually happening there. But then this is what I'm looking for. But otherwise, if there's a breakout retest, then the market fails to come to the downside and break above this, then we might see a push to the upside. What I mean is this, in case, but I'm not looking for that. Let's say it pushes to the upside, then after breakout goes down, then break above this. Once it breaks above this, you can just execute your buys. But then I want, because that's over, it's already overbought using other strategies. So but you can execute as it will continue going to the upside. But then yeah, that is what I have on the GER30 for our time frame. We can move to the second one. What I wanted to do again today, instead of doing Nasdaq and GER30, I'm just gonna do gold, because people have been asking about gold, my anticipation on gold. I'm gonna do daily time frame, because it's an update also of what we spoke about on previous week about gold. So gold, it's from this strong level that we also anticipated that it will come here and start buying, which is what it did exactly. And at that time it was here, then we said it will come here, then start buying to the upside. But then it's breaking the key levels currently. So let's see how we're going to execute here. We had a good level here. As you can see, the support, this is the support in a way, yeah, something like that. Every time the price comes here, shoot to the upside, just like that. Then we also had This one is not yet confirmed to be a resistance, but I was looking for it to hold strong, but the price broke. The price actually broke above this level here. The price broke above. As you can see, we have a channel in this, but it's also a pattern. For people who are trading patterns, you can see that this is a pattern that the market is creating here. A push to the upside, 1 2 3, it's fine like this, but then a breakout to the push to the upside. That is what we normally expect when the market reacts like this. So from here, since we can see that there is a breakout, we can also spot a significant level that the market has been respecting. If you can check, the market has been respecting this level here. I'm not sure if you can spot that. Even when it got here, it didn't just break, it respected this one to the downside first, then eventually break out and start to play around this level. So what's next from here with gold? We didn't have a strong test here, but it's fine. We're pushing to the upside. I'm not gonna sell until this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna draw this to give me an indication that we are still in an uptrend until this is broken, because you can see we had previous low, first low, then lower high, another one, then we might come bounce this level and continue going to the upside. So let's see how it might play, as the way I think it might play. I'm not saying it's going to play this way, but this is what I think it might do. We also have this level here, which I think that is the next target where we might see gold going. Since there's a breakout here, we might see something like this with gold breakout, pushing to the upside, then to the downside, but maybe break out this just to give a fake out to people, then comes to this level, then up until that new high. So something like that on gold. Remember, this is first time I send gold analysis in more like 2 months or so. So just try to check my previous analysis on gold on my Instagram page, so that you can also follow that. So a possible push to the upside, then retest, then a push to the upside. This is actually the breakout strategy that most people use. But then otherwise, I'm gonna drop a video about the breakout strategy. That is just gold, and I don't want to talk much about gold also. So if you are trading gold, that is what I'm looking for. And if you want this analysis, you can just go to the Telegram channel also and view the analysis. Let's do the last one. Then this is what I'm having on Usdjpy. I'm just gonna do 4 hours so that it has more details than daily. On daily, you can see we had a push, strong push, then we're just having a consolidation phase. So what are we am I expecting here? We can spot this level here. This is a significant level that I'm spotting. Remember, it doesn't have to be exact. We just want an area or a zone where the market respects or plays around for quite some time. As you can see at this point, the market has been, then it came again. So it's highly possible for this pair to push here before actually going to the upside. But then we cannot say it's not possible for it to push to the upside from where it is right now. So we also have this resistance here. We had this touch, second touch, third touch. The market every time it touches this, it bounces to the downside. And again, we have what? A support. In a way, I can say USDJPY is trading in a range. USDJPY is trading in a range. So it's something like that. Some people can also spot an uptrend. You can say this is an uptrend because just to keep it, yeah, something like that. We had this second, third, fourth, fifth. Then let's see how it plays. And we also currently having a downtrend. As you can see, this is just a trend in a trend. It's a trend in a trend. Again, we have this on USDJPY. So something like that. You must just pay attention on how I draw these lines so that you can also use this method. It's just price action. I will only consider executing my buys if it just break above, just go straight. Let's say If it just break, then that's when I will consider my buys. But obviously you use breakout strategy. Just because it breaks, you don't just execute. You must check the momentum, candlestick, and all those kind of stuff that you check to actually execute your trade. Or breakout retest, then check how it plays around at this level, push to the upside with it. But then what I'm anticipating here, that is highly possible according to the way I'm looking at this pair. Just the end, it's very negative. This pair should have been here for like long time ago. Just the end, it's very negative, and fundamentally, and it's negative, and also the USD is negative. That's why the market is ranging instead of just taking a direction. So with yen's fundamental like that, we will see how it plays. Just pay attention to this kind of a move. This is what I'm expecting on USDJPY. So make sure that you check it. And guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share this video. So by commenting, you can comment suggesting on which video you want to see next time beside analysis. So if you want me to cover any other topic forex related, you can just drop suggestion in a comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so that we reach out to a lot of people. And don't forget to like again. And thanks for tuning in today's analysis. Let's kill it, guys. All the best in this week. Let's make